Hi student, how are you? I am very pleased again with you. Let us start with Unit 10, Lesson 3. Number 1. Listen to the sentence and say. Number 1 is about pronunciation. It's about sound. How can you say some words with I, but you shouldn't say I. You should pronounce as a, okay? These letters are I, but you should pronounce as a, a. For example, she plays. Don't say she plays. No, she plays every day. Plays, she plays every day. Where are the crayons? And the city player, okay? And the 1st of May is a holiday, okay? You should pronounce as a. Don't say I or a. Okay, student, place. You should pronounce as a. Place, day, crayons, player, May, holiday. Be careful, student. Number 2, read the email. This is an email. It's about the weather in England. How's the weather in England? The weather in England isn't very good. It means sometimes hot, sometimes cold. Okay, it is always wet. What the meaning wet? It means rainy, sometimes it's snowy. Okay, student, so what the meaning of wet? Snowy, rainy. It's sometimes hot in summer. We know what about the summer. It's sometimes hot in summer, like our country. In our country, it's hot in summer, but in winter it can be very cold. We know in winter the weather is cold. Okay, so let us start with was and where. How can we use was and where? It's about yesterday. What's yesterday? It's about talk about past. Yesterday is used for past. Okay, now if we talk about past, we should use was and where. But how can we use was and where? Now if we have one noun, he, she, it, you should use was. If we have I, we should say I was, he was, she was, I was, it was. Okay, beautiful day. Look at here, be careful, it, because there's it, you should use was, but this one is negative. It wasn't, it wasn't, she wasn't, he wasn't, I wasn't. And they, what about they? If you have they, you should use, if they are they, you should use were. They were, because the plural noun. We were, you were. If you have plural noun, we should use were. They were, we were, you were. Okay, and for negative, you should say you weren't, we weren't, they weren't. Okay, student. So, but it was. Look at your, because there's it, you should use was, and it's a singular noun. Okay, it's one noun. If you have there's one noun, you should use was. It was very sunny. It was a bit windy. Again, because there's it, you should use was. It was a bit windy and the sky was blue. Again, the sky, just like it pronoun, it pronoun, and it's one noun, you should use was blue. Be careful. If you have I, you should use was. If there's he, she, it, you should use was. He was, she was, it was, I was. If you have one noun, Lana was, for example, Lana was sick. And if there's they, you should use they were, we were, you were. Okay, student, be careful, don't forget. And it's cold in winter in England. We know it's cold in winter in England. And let's go to number 3. Number 3 is about the sing is about the weather in other countries, in different countries. Okay, it's about the weather and different weather in different countries. Students, that's enough. Thank you. Goodbye.